What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hammerdown Motorsports. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the 2022 Super Duty. And if you guys have one of these, you probably noticed you have this nasty under hood look to this truck. I mean, look at that. It's like bubble gum and nasty seam sealer or panel bond, whatever, that they use to put that hood together, and it looks absolutely terrible. So if you guys know, I'm sure you guys do, the earlier trucks had an underhood liner, and well, if you have a 22, you also don't have an underhood light, but we will be picking that up in another video. I have some, I'll explain that all in the next one. So if you guys want to see what to do to get an underhood light on your truck, stay tuned for that one. It will be coming up very, very soon. But today we are going to be doing the underhood liner. Over here you can see we do have the factory Ford underhood insulation, has the Ford symbol on it. It looks very nice. It does have the cutout right here for our underhood light as well. There is some things that happen with underhood lights in different years where they did move it over to this side from over there, but in the 2022 hood you do have the provision up there, so we're not going to bother with that one. This actually covers that one, so if you want it over there, you're going to have to trim or maybe not run this. It's really up to you. But in today's video, what we're going to be doing is just kind of going over the cost of this, the simple installation, and just kind of how it hides all this nastiness up here that we don't want to see. All right, so here is the box that it comes in. These are usually a special order because a lot of dealerships don't stock them. Our part number is a HC3Z167388A, and that will get you what you need for what we have in this video for the underhood insulation. And then you're gonna have to go over here and see what we got for clips. Now you're gonna need 8 clips. These are the part number right there. Zoom in for you guys. You can take a screenshot of that. We do have 8 of these guys, and I paid over $6 each. So I got pretty much, well, when I bought the truck, they didn't have it on here, so I got robbed by Ford in the beginning, and then I had to go to the dealership and get robbed a second time when I had to buy all this stuff. So just kind of as a reference, I think it was like $122 for this piece here, which is pretty average. I've seen them online for that. And these clips, I think you can get them probably half that price if you go on eBay or whatever. But I was at the dealership, I was just getting it all at once. And then we will go over what it costs for the stuff for the light as well in the light video, so definitely stay tuned for that one as well. But we have our clips, we have our insulation, we have holes in the hood that are already there, so it's going to be pretty quick and easy. Let's just get this thing installed. Also, if you are working on your truck a lot, this is a very simple way to make life a whole lot easier, because I do have a little bit of a level on this, but not much, and these trucks are tall to begin with. So a couple milk crates, piece of 3/4 inch plywood, a couple of bolts, and you're all set. Gonna set this up against the hood, kind of eyeball where that hole is. First one in. Second one in, and everything's held up nicely into place now, so we can grab the rest of them and just kind of follow along, installing them where you see fit. All right, so they gave me 10 and they charged me for 10. So let's see if we need 10. One was 8. I could be wrong. So you will see there's a couple little tabs there on the bottom. You just want to make sure you're kind of inside of those. This side I had to move it a little bit. So you guys saw what I was looking at before. Now look at this. This looks exactly the way I would have wanted it right from the factory. And why they went away with this, I know exactly why. It's because they didn't want to pay for it, and they'd rather, if you wanted it, you pay for it. So with the noise from the diesel engine, I mean, they're not crazy noisy, but it's going to eliminate some of that. And I mean, I don't know if these work as a fire blanket anymore, but it's just one of those things that you want to complete the hood. You expect it to be there. It looks a lot cleaner, especially on the white truck. Get the contrast, you get the Ford symbol right there. It's just, I feel that it's worth a lot more than $122, but don't worry, they will get you on the light and the harness. So we'll talk about that in the other video. You might want to look for those somewhere else other than the dealer. But as far as getting this all together, I mean, I would maybe get the clips from somewhere else and get this whole kind of insulation deal from the dealer if you have to. But all in all, I think it looks really, really good. So now just a quick mock-up here. You can see kind of where our light's gonna sit. I want to push that guy in all the way yet because, yeah, there's something we gotta correct with that. But essentially, this is what it looks like. On the factory ones, I'll put a picture up of what for the 2017, which has both the light and the underhood. The harness goes up here, it goes up to that hole right there, and then it just kind of comes along here on the side. I think we can do better than that. I think we can make it look cleaner. So I'm going to be going through that with you guys on the light video, and we'll get it all buttoned up and looking as professional, better than factory, I gotta say, because, well, I saw the way the factory did it, and I think we can do a whole lot better than that. But that being said, here it is. Here is our underhood insulation, and it just completes the truck for me. Definitely drop in the comment section, what do you guys think of the new look? All right, so now we're gonna put you guys under the hood. Hopefully my light is in the right position. Get you right about there. And then what we're gonna do, try to position this light in a way where it's not gonna get stuck, but it's gonna show us everything we need to see. So we're gonna close the hood and make sure we got enough clearance and it's not hitting anything. All right, let's get you guys out of there. I mean, I don't see anything on the liner itself that it looked like it was touching anything. I just wanted to be sure, so yeah, there it is. So there it is, everybody. Quick video for you guys with getting our insulation under the hood of the truck. I would order this for a 2017 to 2018. I believe in 2019 they stopped making it, so the part number I gave you over there will help you out, and you can get this all fixed up just like my truck. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and as always, keep that hammer down.